Have you ever been invited to a house party in English and felt nervous because you didn't know what to say when you arrived, how to greet people, or how to join a conversation naturally?
That can feel stressful, especially when everyone is talking quickly, laughing, and moving from one topic to another. But today, we'll help you practice simple, natural English you can use at a real house party.
My name is Anna, and I'll help guide today's conversation.
And I'm Leo. All right, let's begin.
Hey Leo, are you ready for the party tonight?
I think so, but I'm a little nervous. I know it's just a small house party, but I don't know many people there.
That's completely normal. House parties can feel a little awkward at first, especially when you walk in and everyone already seems comfortable.
Right. I always wonder what I should say when I arrive. Should I just say hello to everyone? Should I find the host first? I don't want to look strange.
A good first step is to greet the host. You can say something simple like, "Hey, thanks so much for inviting me. Your place looks great."
That sounds natural, so I don't need to say anything complicated.
Not at all. At a house party, friendly and simple is usually best.
All right, let me practice. Hey, Anna, thanks so much for inviting me. Your place looks great.
Perfect. That sounds warm and polite. What if I bring something like snacks or drinks?
Then you can say, I brought some chips and drinks. Where should I put them?
That's useful. I brought some chips and drinks. Where should I put them?
Great. And the host might say, oh, thanks. You can put them on the kitchen counter.
Kitchen counter. That means the flat surface in the kitchen, right?
Right. A counter is the surface where people prepare food or place things in the kitchen.
Got it. That's a useful word. Now imagine we're arriving at the party. I'll be the host.
Sounds good.
Hey, Leo, you made it.
Hey, Anna, thanks so much for inviting me. Your place looks really nice.
Thank you. I'm so glad you came. Come on in.
Thanks. I brought some snacks. Where should I put them?
That's so kind of you. You can put them on the kitchen counter, right next to the drinks.
No problem. Wow, it smells amazing in here. Did you cook something?
I made a few small things, but most of the food is just simple party food, nothing too fancy.
It looks great. Is there anything I can help with?
That's sweet of you, but I think we're good for now. Just relax and make yourself comfortable.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
There are some people in the living room. I can introduce you.
That would be great, actually. I don't know many people here.
No worries, everyone is friendly.
I'm glad to hear that.
Hey everyone, this is Leo. He's a friend from my English class.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Leo, this is my friend Maya, and that's Daniel near the sofa.
Nice to meet you both.
See? Very simple. When someone introduces you, you can just say, nice to meet you, or it's nice to meet you.
That feels easy enough.
Now let's practice joining a small conversation.
This is the part that makes me nervous.
I understand. A helpful phrase is, do you mind if I join you? It means you are politely asking if you can be part of the conversation.
Do you mind if I join you?
Exactly. Or more casually, you can say, mind if I join you?
That sounds very natural.
Let's try it.
Hey, do you mind if I join you?
Not at all. We were just talking about weekend plans.
Oh, nice. Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
I'm thinking about going hiking if the weather's good.
That sounds fun. I've been wanting to spend more time outside lately.
Really? Do you like hiking?
I do, but I'm still a beginner. I usually choose easy trails because I don't want to get too tired halfway through.
Fair enough. Easy trails are still a great way to enjoy nature.
What about you? Do you hike often?
Not every weekend, but whenever I have time. It helps me relax after a busy week.
That makes sense. I feel the same way about walking in the park.
Great. Notice how you joined the conversation by asking a simple question? You didn't need a perfect sentence, you just showed interest.
That's helpful. I think learners sometimes feel pressure to say something impressive.
Right, but in real conversations, being friendly is more important than being perfect.
What if I don't understand what someone says because the music is loud?
Good question. You can say, sorry, could you say that again? The music is a little loud.
Let me repeat that. Sorry, could you say that again? The music is a little loud.
Perfect. That's polite and natural.
Can we practice that in a conversation?
Of course.
So, Anna, how do you know everyone here?
I know some people from work, some from my neighborhood, and a few from college.
Sorry, could you say that again? The music is a little loud.
Sure, I said I know some people from work, some from my neighborhood, and a few from college.
Oh, I see. That's a nice mix of people.
It is. I like when different groups of friends meet each other.
That makes the party more interesting.
Exactly. Now let's talk about food and drinks because that's very common at a house party.
Food is always a safe topic.
It really is. You can say, this looks delicious. What is it? Or did you make this?
Those are good questions.
Let's practice.
This looks delicious. What is it?
It's spinach dip. You can eat it with chips or bread.
Nice. Did you make it?
I did. It's actually pretty easy to make.
It tastes really good.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
If I don't want a drink, what should I say?
You can say, I'm okay for now, thanks, or I'll just have water, thanks.
That sounds polite.
Very polite. Let's practice.
Would you like something to drink?
I'm okay for now, thanks.
No problem. There's water and soda in the kitchen if you want anything later.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
What if someone asks me personal questions, but I don't want to answer too much?
You can answer briefly and then ask them a question back. For example, if someone asks, do you live around here? You can say, not too far actually. What about you?
That's smart. It keeps the conversation moving without giving too many details.
Right, let's try.
Do you live around here?
Not too far actually. What about you?
I live about 15 minutes away. It's a quiet area, but I like it.
That sounds nice. Do you enjoy living there?
I do. It's peaceful and there are a few good coffee shops nearby.
See how natural that feels?
It does. The conversation doesn't stop.
Exactly. Now let's practice talking about music because music is another common house party topic.
Great. I like this one.
You can say, I like this song, or who chose the playlist?
Playlist means the list of songs, right?
Right. A playlist is a group of songs selected to play together.
Got it.
Let's practice.
I like this song. Who chose the playlist?
I think Daniel made it. He always has good music.
He really does. It has a relaxed feeling, but it still feels fun.
That's a great way to describe it.
What kind of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to a little bit of everything, but I really enjoy calm music when I'm working or cooking.
Same here. During the day, I like calm music, but at a party, I enjoy something more upbeat.
Upbeat is a useful word. It means cheerful, lively, or energetic.
Upbeat. So I can say, this song is upbeat.
Exactly.
This song is upbeat. It makes the party feel more fun.
Very natural.
What if I want to compliment the host without sounding too formal?
You can say, you did a great job with everything, or this party has such a nice vibe.
Vibe. That means the feeling or atmosphere of a place, right?
Yes, it's casual and very common in conversation.
So I can say, this party has a nice vibe.
Absolutely.
Let me try. Anna, you did a great job with everything. This party has such a nice vibe.
Thank you, Leo. That's really kind of you to say.
The food is good, the music is nice, and everyone seems relaxed.
I'm happy to hear that. I wanted it to feel comfortable, not too loud or crowded.
You definitely succeeded.
Now, let's practice a moment when you meet someone new and want to continue the conversation.
All right.
Imagine I'm someone you just met at the party.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Anna. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, Anna. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How do you know the host?
Anna and I take an English class together. What about you?
We used to work together a few years ago.
Oh, nice. Do you still work in the same field?
I do, but I changed companies last year.
That sounds like a big change. How has it been so far?
Pretty good, actually. It was stressful at first, but now I feel more comfortable.
That makes sense. Starting something new can be exciting and stressful at the same time.
Exactly. What about you? Are you working or studying right now?
I'm studying right now, and I'm also trying to improve my English speaking skills.
That's great. Your English sounds very clear.
Thank you. I still get nervous sometimes, especially in group conversations.
That's understandable. Group conversations can move quickly.
They really can. Sometimes by the time I think of what to say, the topic has already changed.
That happens to native speakers too. You can always jump in with a simple phrase like, that reminds me, or speaking of that.
Can you explain speaking of that?
Sure. Speaking of that means you want to connect the current topic to something related. For example, if people are talking about food, you can say, speaking of food, have you tried the pasta?
That's very useful.
Try it.
Speaking of food, have you tried the pasta salad?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's really good. I think it has tomatoes, olives, and some kind of cheese.
That sounds delicious. I'll try some in a minute.
Great.
Now let's practice offering help during the party.
That's a good idea. I never know if I should help or just relax.
You can offer once in a friendly way. For example, do you need help with anything? Or can I help clean up a little?
And if the host says no, I don't need to insist.
Right. One offer is polite.
Let's practice. Anna, do you need help with anything?
Thanks for asking. Could you help me bring a few plates to the table?
Of course. Where are they?
They're in the cabinet next to the fridge.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sure, the plates are in the cabinet next to the fridge.
Got it. I'll grab them now.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
No problem at all.
That was great. You asked for repetition naturally and politely.
I like that phrase. Could you repeat that? It works in many situations.
It really does.
What about leaving the party? I sometimes feel awkward when I need to go.
Leaving politely is important. You can say, I should get going, but thank you so much for having me.
That sounds very natural.
You can also add, I had a great time.
So the full sentence could be, I should get going, but thank you so much for having me. I had a great time.
Perfect.
Let's practice the ending. Anna, I should get going, but thank you so much for having me. I had a great time.
I'm so glad you came. Thanks again for bringing snacks.
Of course, everything was really nice.
I'm happy you enjoyed it. Get home safely.
Thanks, I'll see you soon.
See you soon, Leo.
That ending feels polite and easy to remember.
Exactly. You don't need a long goodbye. Just thank the host, say you had a good time, and leave warmly.
I feel much more confident now.
That's the goal. House Party English is really about simple greetings, friendly questions, polite offers, and natural goodbyes.
And if I don't understand something, I can ask people to repeat it.
Right. You can say, sorry, could you say that again? Or could you repeat that? Both are useful.
And if I want to join a conversation, I can say, do you mind if I join you?
Exactly. That phrase is polite, friendly, and very useful at parties.
I also like this party has a nice vibe. That sounds casual and modern.
It does. Just remember, vibe means the feeling or atmosphere of a place.
Understood.
Before we finish, let's do one final short version of the full party conversation.
Great idea.
Hey, Leo, you made it.
Hey, Anna, thanks so much for inviting me. Your place looks great.
Thank you. Come on in.
I brought some snacks. Where should I put them?
You can put them on the kitchen counter.
Sounds good. Is there anything I can help with?
Not right now, but thank you. Just make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Do you mind if I join the people in the living room?
Of course not. I'll introduce you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
We were just talking about weekend plans.
Oh, nice. Are you doing anything fun this weekend?
I might go hiking if the weather is good.
That sounds great. I've been wanting to spend more time outside.
Do you like hiking?
I do, but I usually choose easy trails.
Fair enough. Easy trails can still be beautiful.
Sorry, could you say that again? The music is a little loud.
Sure, I said easy trails can still be beautiful.
Oh, got it. I agree.
Would you like something to drink?
I'll just have water, thanks.
No problem. It's in the kitchen.
Thanks. By the way, this party has a really nice vibe.
That's kind of you to say. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I really am. The food is great too. Did you make the pasta salad?
I did. I'm happy you like it.
It's delicious.
Thank you.
Anna, I should get going, but thank you so much for having me. I had a great time.
I'm so glad you came. Get home safely.
Thanks. See you soon.
See you soon. And that brings us to the end of today's house party conversation.
We hope this helped you feel more confident greeting people, joining conversations, asking for repetition, talking about food and music, and leaving politely.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to enjoy a party. Use simple phrases, smile, ask friendly questions, and keep practicing.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye for now.
Take care.